Hi everyone. So this is our cover tutorial, what we are going to be working on now. So I thought it would be really cool on the cover just to kind of tear into it a little bit. It's hard to know with each cover if it's going to be an easy or hard job. This one was pretty easy for the most part. I couldn't really rip it as much as I wanted to, because my initial idea was to rip it down and insert the zipper into it, and I just couldn't seem to figure it out. so I just ripped down the side a little bit, and then I take my scissors and just kind of make a little cut, and then go ahead and rip some of the cover, just kind of at like a diagonal direction, facing the outside corner of the book. So I don't want to leave it just all the green background. I want to add some layers. So I'm taking one of our book pages from when we thinned out our book, and I'm just ripping it down to the size that I want it. And that's going to be one of my layers there. And then I wanted to take some of the tissue paper. I love these birds. I just love the designs on this tissue paper. Tim Holtz comes up with some really good designs. I really love his work. So I definitely wanted to use these birds on the cover. So now I'm just taking some Mod Podge to glue the birds that we cut out, the tissue paper, just going ahead and gluing that down. And I add glue on the back of it, and then once I glue it down, then I go ahead and add more glue on the front just to secure it down good. So I definitely wanted to add some of this fabric to our cover. and which we will have some left over to use inside of our book as well. So I want to have a little bit peeking out from each corner, on the top right corner and then on the bottom left corner. And so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just kind of measuring and trying to envision in my head what it's going to look like. And so I'm cutting it down and then I'll start gluing it together. So since I couldn't add the zipper in the part where we ripped, I thought, well, I'll go ahead and add it, kind of peeking out from our, what we're gluing down, the paper, the tissue paper, the fabric. But it had a lot of extra along the zipper that I did not want. So I went ahead and just kind of cut it down. And then I like to also distress the edges, kind of unravel it a little bit. I just like, the distressed look of it. So off camera, I went ahead and added some acrylic paint that came in your kit, the vanilla or the buttermilk color, kind of along the edges of the cover. I really just like the look of it. It just kind of adds a little pop of color, a little texture, and then once that dried, then I'm taking the wax paste and kind of running along the edges of the book as well, and then going ahead and rubbing it where we glued down our birds and even on the tag. I'm basically just putting it all over the place, to be honest with you, because I really like the color of the wax paste. It's really pretty. I like the color it gives. I like the shimmer. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.